With over 1,000 companies reporting this week, which ones should you be watching? I combed through all the charts to pick out some of the more interesting names, as well as some recent IPOs that you're going to want to tune in on. So let's see what they are. The first one out the gate is Stamps.com. Now, I brought this one as kind of a cautionary tale because, as you can see, it has beat, or at least met, every quarter since our data began in 2016. But look at those big downturns there, especially this year in 2019, as they have ended their contract with the U.S. Postal Service. So the beat or miss side of the earnings equation doesn't always tell you the full story. So this is a cautionary tale on only following the beats, basically. But this will be an interesting one to see, can their earnings rebound here and what the future of this company is. Then we're going to get Lyft. Now, this is the second quarter they're reporting. As you can see, it has that big red arrow there. So they did miss the first quarter. But as you can also see, the shares aren't really doing anything. It's been real choppy being a Lyft shareholder here. But we're going to get a little bit more insight here as we go in through a couple quarters with these recent IPOs. And this is one everyone is going to be watching. The other one, obviously, is Uber. Now, they actually beat last quarter, but it's not a big green arrow, which means the magnitude wasn't that big, but they did have the beat there. But just like Lyft, as you can see, the shares are all over the place, and it's going to take a couple quarters here to see what the momentum is likely to be. Then let's switch over to one that's been around a lot longer, Activision Blizzard. Now, they've got a great track record. They just have that one miss back where our data began in 2016. But otherwise, great track record of meeting or beating. But these shares, too, have come way down and haven't really recovered much here in 2019. So is this a buying opportunity? I don't know. We're going to find out. And then we're going to wrap it up with Dropbox. Now, I think I've covered this one in the past because they haven't missed either since their 2018 IPO. But these shares kind of stalled out here in 2019 as well. Could another beat actually get them moving? We will see. We're also going to get some other interesting first reports by some IPOs this week, including Revolve, which is ticker RVLV. They're the online shopping site. So it's going to get interesting these next couple of weeks. We're going to get a lot of companies that have only reported maybe once or not at all finally reporting here. And so you're going to want to tune in. I'm going to be bringing you these earnings videos all during earnings season, and there's still a lot more to come. Yes, FANG has reported, but hundreds more companies still to report earnings, and you're going to want to tune in, especially for those retailers. Now that we have these trade issues resuming again, those conference calls and earnings reports are going to be interesting. So be sure to subscribe or check out our feed on YouTube. You can get it at Zacks.com/YouTube. And otherwise, I'll see you again next week with some more earnings charts.